Itasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the kind, kooky letter K. Let's say it together. K, K, K. Meet Kiki the Kangaroo. She's kind, curious, and loves flying kites. She lives in a cozy knoll near the Kingdom of Kindness. One breezy morning, Kiki had a kind idea. I'll deliver kindness notes with my kite to all my neighbors. She packed her kindness cards and skipped off with a smile.
On her kite quest, Kiki saw with delight a kookaburra singing karaoke all night. A kitten painting colors so bright and blue, and a koala with kiwi to share with a kingfisher too.
Finally, Kiki reached the Kingdom of Kindness. Everyone gathered to celebrate with kites, hugs, and happy hearts. A banner sparkled. K is for kangaroo, kite, and kindness. What a kind kite quest! Kiki the Kangaroo showed us how caring the letter K can be. Can you think of more K words? Let's keep exploring.